Hey, it's Ryan from the Carb Situation. Remember, I'm not a doctor, I'm not a nutritionist, I'm not a trainer. I'm just a human guinea pig who likes to read a lot and willing to experiment. If you go on the journey with me, maybe you'll learn what I learned. Oh yeah, and I curse a lot. Let's do this.
Hey guys, it's time for another weekly check-in. Today is July 7th, 2019. That means it's the end of week 16 of the Carb Situation Project. I lost a little bit of weight this week. Let's see how it went. So last week I came in at 207.8 pounds, and this week I come in at 206.2 pounds. That comes up to a loss of 1.6 pounds. As for body fat, last week I was 27.3% fat, and this week I come in at 26.8% fat, so I lost 0.5% of body fat. All in all, I'm progressing at an okay pace and still hope to be finished back in the mid 190s at the end of this month. This past week was very exciting for me, but not in the dieting world. I went down to one of the dark sky areas of the United States, did some astrophotography. I ate smart while I was there, but I didn't get a whole lot of exercise. I just kind of chilled out. It was pretty hot in the sun. Did a little bit of hiking, but no big deal. I did not get any of my normal exercise in. I didn't do any strength training or any bicycle rides, anything like that. And this week I'm traveling for work, but I will get some exercise in and keep my diet on track, and hopefully we'll see some bueno results by next Sunday. That's all I got for this week. Easy one. Hope you've been enjoying the ride thus far. If you have any suggestions or questions, please let me know below. And make sure to subscribe to my channel, check out my website, and I'll catch you next week. Till then, cheers.